All right, mathematicians, now we're going to move on to Desmos 1.3, Reasoning to Find Area, Part B. So we did Part A, now we're going to do Part B. And we begin by figuring out, okay, what's our heart rate now on this activity? I know how to use different strategies to find the area of shapes on and off of a grid. So we're going to start there and go ahead and rate yourself on how you're feeling about this particular learning target. So here's a recap of what were some great strategies that we saw in Part A. Some students decomposed the L shape into two rectangles this way, and then some students decomposed and made 4 6-unit rectangles. So now we're going to go ahead and practice again. So go ahead and decompose this shape into friendly shapes, or shapes that you know how to find the area of. So you would want to decompose these into rectangles. So now, once we've learned how to do this with the grid, now we're going to use the side length measurements to show our thinking. Instead of having the squares in there to count, we know that this line across the middle is going to be 5 centimeters, and we know that this shape is 3 centimeters tall. And we can actually rearrange this shape by cutting this piece off and moving it up this way. And now you've created a friendly shape, a rectangle, and you know how to find the area of a rectangle. So we learned how to rearrange this shape with the grid. Now rearrange this shape using the side lengths as your guide to figure out the area of the shape. And go through your lesson synthesis. Read through these slides and tell us how you're feeling now. How do you feel about finding the area of shapes on and off the grid by rearranging them? This is your cool down. So now on this slide, I want you to show your thinking. How could you cut this shape and rearrange it into a shape that is a friendly shape, or a shape where you know how to find the area of the shape? So go ahead and find the area of the shape by doing that, decomposing, rearranging, and then this is what you're going to turn in on Canvas. So you'll come back here, you'll submit your assignment by choosing a file. You'll have to choose your upload and submit your assignment. And the last screen tells you exactly what to do. You're going to submit your cool down screen number 15. So great job, and we'll see you on the next lesson.